morning, and thank you for taking time to meet with me to go over the results for the program evaluation survey regarding the Montessori training program designed by Bezos Academy. A little history about Bezos Academy and the program. Bezos Academy is a newly designed preschool program, Montessori program, tuition free to serve underprivileged children within the Orlando area. However, as widely known, it is challenging to have qualified educators, especially early educators. So Bezos Academy has embarked in developing this Montessori training program to develop qualified Montessorians to work in their classrooms with young children. This is a mid-implementation evaluation, so therefore the program is midway through, and so this evaluation is to determine what revisions need to be made as the second portion of the program is being implemented, as well as the second cohort of participants are going to start. The evaluation questions that we are evaluating for the program is: 1, has the Montessori Diploma program designed by Bezos Academy and PMI, which is the training center, met adult learning needs and adult learning styles? And 2, which parts of the training were more challenging for teachers and which part of the trainings were more challenging for developers? The survey was sent to 18 participants, and 18 people responded. 4 of the respondents were developers, and 14 of the respondents were participants, meaning they are either teachers or assistant teachers that will be working within the program. 77.8% of those are completely new to Montessori. 16.7% has 5 or more years in Montessori, and 5.5 had 10 or more years. The results also show that the areas of training that were most difficult were: 1, the virtual sessions, and 2, operating technology. Very interesting, because those two kind of go hand in hand. Whenever it's difficult to operate technology, it's difficult to understand how to navigate the virtual sessions. And coming around in third was completing the assignments. And we're going to get to that a little later. However, even though there were some challenges in completing areas within the program, there were no respondents that felt that they were not ready to put into practice what they've learned. That they were either mostly ready, completely ready, or somewhat ready. Within this, looking at the amount of work presented, 55% of the respondents felt that it was just the right amount of content that was being presented, while 38.8 felt like it was a little too much during each session. And 5% of those were 5% was developers, so they did not answer for those classes. It was noted that the most helpful modes of teaching were the in-class practice, followed by the assignments. Within the surveys also, it felt like most of the respondents were very eager to share their information from the open-ended questions. 77.7% of those respondents within the program felt like the goals of the program were being met, while 22.3% are still a little bit unsure. There were also 2 open-ended questions, and the first open-ended question was what can be improved within the program. The first, and these are in order of significance, was more realistic presentation videos. So a majority, according to the coding of the open-ended questions, felt like the videos, because the videos were staged, it did not show reality while working in a classroom with multiple children. However, the presenters designed the video. The purpose was to show how to do the work, how to do the lesson, to give you the foundation. However, the participants felt that videos of how presentations are done in actual classrooms would have been more beneficial for them. Order and organization of the training. It was noted that the homework, the reading assignments, and the virtual presentations were not aligned along with the videos. So the content areas for each of those were not succinct. And so they feel like the organization of the training program could have been much better. And also that the virtual sessions could be more interactive or supplemented with in-person. However, good news. The things that the respondents felt were successful about the program were that the hands-on practice, as well as the basal support team, including the heads of schools, the training program center staff were very supportive, and also the teaching skills of the instructor within the program. And so those are the things that the respondents felt were very successful. Therefore, with looking at the strengths of the program, the hands-on practice, and the support team, with the revisions, continuous assistance, with participation, with and continual improvement, the Montessori training program can continue to make revisions to ensure that this Montessori training program is successful. Thank you.